Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you one more awesome Hot Wheel car. Its name is Custom 56 Ford Truck. It's type of a truck. So let's take a look at this here. So now we'll be checking it, and here we go. Here the car is. So it has a black design, and over here it's written Can Race. And as you can see, the gold finished wheels and the red platform, and it's looking very awesome. It has this front area over here like a shooter, and the window is very nice. It has a free storage over here, and as it is a truck, the space to get off. Now, this car is very awesome and interesting. It looks very classic, and it's a very normal styled car. And the thing about this car is that it is a very unique one. You see, all other trucks, they come in a fixed one and a sharp one, but this is blunt. Look at this. So this is very awesome, guys. Now let's check the speed and the running area. So here we go. Speed test number 1. Back view. It actually goes nice. And let's check the running and extra area. And now we have it. Yes, back view. Checking it. So it also drifts a bit. You can see the movement. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Share, like and subscribe to my channel so that you get all new videos. And don't forget to see the shadow story video, which is coming after some time. Bye.